that before I went there, I prayed to God. God has never failed me. God has never failed me. So when I went there, I was able to resolve the crisis in London. Now, so I was able to, yes, I was able to resolve the crisis in London. Now, in America, I'm sure most of you read what happened in the newspaper. There, I was amazed. Many top Americans said that some centuries ago, when their forebears died, those who came to America first, they left messages that they were carried to America from Igbo land, and that they should do everything to locate Igbo land. They said they have located Igbo land, and in fact, a ceremony was organized in the African Museum, Washington, very near the White House. It was a very wonderful ceremony. They, their families, their grandchildren, many of them declared that they are Igbos. I issued them with certificates on your behalf. They are looking forward to here.
Your father is your father. Oga, come back now. You say make you cover one person, you don't cover the person, you still the wrong person.
Ndigbo ga-eme ọnụ ọkọ Mrs. Mariam Babangida anyị na-eche maka anyị na-akpọite onye Honorable Justice Augustine Nnamani Honorable Justice Augustine Nnamani anyị na-akpọite onye na-anọgide Justice Chukwudizu Okpara and appointed Justice Philip Patrick Nnameka Agu. Justice Nnameka Agu, you know, Bagote. And appointed Dr. Simon Okpara, because the representative, Michael Okpara, great hero of Igbo land, on Dr. Francis Akalu Ibia. Francis Akalu Ibia. To bless and secret Michael, you will be Thank you so much. Then after you know, the distinguished hero of Igbo land, Chief Lady C.O.B. Emmanuel Ndigbo in the past. Chief C.O.B. When I was here, Senator, distinguished Senator. And Mazi Bono Ike, distinguished hero of Igbo land. So Mazi Bono Ike, when I was Mazi Bono Ike about the day. I now thought of the son.
To honor all those heroes, all those great men who led a better path. Now, the governors have been very beautiful. Now, as a title, some of them have an appointment. So please, I think at this point, MC, tell me if you want to
the mayor of Enugu North and the Enugu East local government areas.
Now, the point is this. The point is, some people pretend they are that they claim us something. So please, I don't want anyone to claim Ohaneze. If you are not Ohaneze, don't claim Ohaneze. So thank you very much. The rest of my speech you can get in my press. Thank you very much. Thank you. I myself, I took part. I'm a lucky person. Most people, those who graduated with me in school of humanity, those who are like we are not to talk, who have died in the war, others died out of the wound that brought about the war. So the truth about it, we are going to do everything to make sure it is on the battleground. We are not going to allow people to start going home 15 days in this place. We are going to tell them, let us apply the non-kinetic method. Let us do that. I will, as a father, call them, I'll talk to them, I'll beg them, I'll even, if possible, go to the old place where they are. One of them said that Ohaneze placed a price of 100 million on himself. I want to make it clear here that Ohaneze, under my control, cannot place the price of the head of any Igbo son. Every Igbo son is my son. And when your son do as well, the moment you make me your president, General, I didn't expect I will be president over angels. I know Ndigbo should not be over there. And I know what you want. And if you want over there, as far as I'm concerned, everybody is my son.
Barista Pinado Besse Barista.
Emmanuel